Alright guys, this is going to be a super quick panning update. If you guys have been watching my declutter videos, you guys know that a lot of the products you see here, I'm getting rid of. Actually, I totally lied. The only thing you see here that I'm getting rid of is this. But I just wanted to do a quick little update on my product pan so that the next time you guys see a video, you're not like, wait Erica, those are different products. As for my face products, my foundation, my concealer, I'm keeping all of the stuff that I was using in the product pan, which is the L'Oreal Pro Glow and the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm still using the e.l.f. Cosmetics eyebrow kit. I'm still using the Better Than Sex mascara, but for my blush and stuff like that, I'm switching these out. So this I'm actually going to get rid of. This is the setting powder and the bronzer, and I'm going to be replacing it with my MAC Cosmetics setting powder. I don't have that much left. You guys can't really tell how much is in here, but there's not that much in here. And I am also putting in the W7, the Cheeky Trio, the bronzer, and the blush, and that is replacing this as well, this MAC Cosmetic blush. I'm just very over this one. It's a cream one. I think I did good enough. I'm going to put this to the return to MAC where, you know, you send back your empties and you get like a free lipstick or something like that. I'll keep you guys posted on that. So that is one thing that's going on. So now this is in it and so is this. And then for my eyeshadows, again, I don't know what I'm going to be doing with these, but I'm thinking maybe I'm going to like depot them. Not that one probably, and probably not that one either. They're just getting crazy. But I'm going to replace them with the Ellen Tracy eyeshadow palettes. They're like little quads. They're really cute. They're really small, and I normally wouldn't gravitate towards these. That's why I kind of wanted to put it in here because the payoff, the color payoff is amazing. They swatch so beautifully. Like so beautifully. This one reminds me of Amber Lights. Can you guys see that? Like, come on, they're so pretty. So I'm really excited to be actually using these instead of not using these the whole time. So I don't know. I'm gonna keep you guys posted on these MAC little things. I'm not really sure. I think I might try to depot some of these and put them in my Morphe palette, see if they fit. But if you guys didn't check out my declutter videos, please do head on over. So that is the update. These are going in and all of this is coming out. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I'll keep you guys updated on my product pan and everything like that. Love you guys. Bye.